Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Luna Classic video update. So let's go back and talk about the diamond top that I talked about yesterday, and let's see what you're doing right now. So it seems like you are breaking to the upside for the diamond top. Okay, so this upside break can cause Luna Classic, instead of going to the downside, actually moving to the upside, and it can actually come up here to 1994 level, and it perhaps even continue higher to 11753. So it's weekend, so you really got to be careful during the weekend as well. Let's dive into the 4 hour time frame and let's try to see what is going on. So you can already see that in here you do have a clear pop to the upside. So the pop is to the upside. You're coming in for the retest potentially, and this retest can actually play out in such a way that you actually start to move up to this place. So don't be surprised if you actually see Luna Classic moving up to that particular price target of 1988 level. But today I don't want to take any risks by trading because of Bitcoin, of course. We don't know what weekends can bring, and weekends are really, really dangerous to trade. So it's going to be a little bit of a break, I'm just going to sit back and relax and see how the weekends are going to play out. And do watch the Bitcoin update, because today's Bitcoin update is quite crucial to know which direction Bitcoin is going to pick up in the next 5 days. And I'm just going to show you Bitcoin very quickly, because it's important we understand what Bitcoin is about to do for any to trade anything. By the way, so here's Bitcoin on a nutshell here. So this is an apex coming into an end. You can see that this is a trend line that was going like this, the resistance line, and then you have the support line climbing up. So by 11th of August, you're going to get a pop, maybe to the upside, and that would be amazing. You're going to see Luna Classic probably even flying. But the problem is, if it pops to the downside and starts to do something like this and go down again with the downtrend, because we are in a downtrend, okay, you haven't even broken out of that resistance to continue an uptrend, okay. So this is your resistance here, resistance there, resistance here, and you're not breaking out of it to continue even higher. So that's going to be a problem moving forward. You must break that resistance, and then we might see Luna Classic finally making that breakthrough, continue higher. Who knows? Luna Classic can go against Bitcoin. Bitcoin can dump. Luna Classic can pump. We've seen it pumping, by the way, in here. And that's the reason why it caught our attention as well. So whatever it is, we're going to see in the next coming few days, 4 or 5 days of wait I'm going to do. And I'm just going to turn on the EMAs as well. Yeah, so you're just barely above the EMAs. You're consolidating between the EMAs. So there's nothing fancy about the EMAs at the moment. And that's it for today's update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.